Nahuhulog na ako sa'yo naman kasi unggoy ka pa kasi sumasabit ka sa puso ko naman kasi pustiso ka pa kasi you know I can't smile without you. Pagod na ako, maghapon ka na kasing tumatakbo sa isipan ko. Kasi naman kasi mahal kita. Bagay tayong dalawa, pa-picture na para mapadevelop kita. Hindi tayo tao, hindi rin tayo hayop. Bagay tayo, bagay talaga. Papupulis kita kasi ninakaw mo ang puso ko naman kasi gusto ka ba kasi palagi ka sa ulo ko naman kasi apoy ka ba kasi I love you. Magsalmamina ka nga kasi baka malunod ka sa pag-ibig ko. Kasi naman kasi mahal kita. Bagay tayong dalawa, pa-picture na para mapadevelop kita. Hindi tayo tao, hindi rin tayo hayop. Bagay tayo, bagay talaga. Kamukha mo si Papa P, Papa P, John Lloyd P, Papa P, Papa P, P, Papa P, Papa P, John Lloyd. Exam ka ba kasi sasagutin kita agad-agad naman kasi drugs ka ba kasi kaka-adik ka kasi naman kasi malamot ka pa kasi you're really, really hard to get. Posporong ka ba? E di posporo rin ako para match. Kasi naman kasi mahal kita. Bagay tayong dalawa, pa-picture na para mapadevelop kita. Hindi tayo tao, hindi rin tayo hayop. Bagay tayo, bagay talaga. Pustiso ka ba kasi I really, really can't smile without you.
What is this I'm feeling? I just can't explain. When you're near, I'm just not the same. I try to hide it, try not to show it. It's crazy. How could it be? I've fallen for you.
emotions are turning into little sweet sensations, and they're only getting sweeter every time. Our friendly get-togethers are turning into visions of forever. If I just believe this foolish heart of mine, I can't pretend that I'm just a friend, 'cause I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. I think I've fallen in love with you, and I don't know what to do. I'm afraid you'll turn away, but I'll say it anyway. I think I've fallen for you. I'm falling for you. Whenever we're together, I'm wishing that goodbyes would turn to never, 'cause with you is where I always wanna be. Whenever I'm beside you, all I really wanna do is hold you. No one else but you has meant this much to me. I can't pretend. No